everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Anna, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to do a clay mask. In general can have different purposes, and the one that I'm going to be doing today is specifically meant to help detoxify, balance oils in your skin, and help heal after acne scars on your skin. Like usually a lot of the things that I do have something to do with acne or acne scars because I have acne and I get acne scars, and I'm trying to fix my problem and share the solutions with you. So without further ado, let's see how this goes. First off, let's look in the ingredients that we're gonna be using for this mask. First of all, I have the clay right here. The one that I'm using is Australian olive green clay, which has very strong detoxifying components within it. It can also help balance the natural oils of your skin, and it helps regenerate your skin from after acne scars. This type of a clay is specifically recommended to acne-prone skin as well as oily skin. However, if you have dry or mixed skin type, you might want to be careful with this type of a clay because it is very drying. And the second ingredient that we're going to be using is the aloe vera gel juice. This one, you've seen me using it before. It's very hydrating. It has a very nice cooling effect to your skin, so I love using it specifically for this mask, but also for pretty much any other type of mask. But for a clay mask specifically, pretty much any liquid can activate the clay. So you can actually make this mask with different types of oils, different types of water like rose water, cucumber water, or with thicker ingredients such as yogurt or honey. Also, I got both of these ingredients from Sunrise Botanics, and I'm gonna leave the link to the website in the description box below. I'm not affiliated with the website in any way, shape, or form. It's just where I get most of my skincare ingredients because I like it. As for the tools that I'm gonna be using, you just need one recipient. I like to use this glass recipient to mix my mask in it, and a measuring spoon. So let's see about mixing and applying it. First off, I will be adding the clay to my recipient. I use half a teaspoon. There you have it, half a teaspoon. And really this is more than enough for me to cover my whole face and neck area. Next one, I'll be adding the aloe vera gel juice. I'm adding the same quantity, so also half a teaspoon. And this is one that you don't want to pre-mix. You don't want to be making your face mask, put it in a jar and then just use it. It's just not smart. The clay is much more potent when it's just been activated. So you've just mixed it and you apply it to your face right away. And I'm just gonna be using my finger to mix it. The mixture is done, and I have to say, for me the 1-to-1 ratio works really well. I have noticed though that if the mask is a little bit thicker, it does make my face a little bit itchy while I have it on. So if you don't like that, you might want to make it a little bit thinner, but this is something that you just adjust to when you see how it works and you see how your skin adapts to it and how your skin reacts to it. But yeah, this is the ratio that works for me the best, so this is what I'm gonna be using. Now you can apply the mask straight to your bare clean face. By the way, I've just washed my face, and I usually do that. I usually apply it directly to my face because my face is leaning oily and I have acne also, so I do want that like kind of drying effect of this mask. But in the past few days, I'm guessing because of the temperature or the humidity in the air, the skin on my face is drier than usual, and I don't want to dry it more than this. So I am gonna be using an oil on my face before I apply the mask. And this is something that you can do if you have mixed skin or if your skin is like combo leaning dry. And the oil that I'm using here is one of my own mix of oils. I have a couple of them on my channel and I invite you to go check them out. But you can also just use a face oil that you usually use, like store-bought, or a carrier oil just by itself. And I'm using a cotton pad to apply the oil to my skin, I want a very thin layer. I don't want my skin to get too oily because then the mask would not spread evenly. And I want to make sure that this area on the side of my cheeks is well protected with the oil because that's the part that gets dry the most. There I have it now. The oil has been applied to my skin, and now I'm going to apply the mask just with my fingers. Make sure that your hands are clean before you do this. The mask to my face. My fingers are all dirty now. So as you can see, just half a teaspoon of the powder, half a teaspoon of the liquid was more than enough to cover all of my face and my neck area. If you do want to apply it even lower on your neck and on your chest area, you will obviously need more. And when I look at how clay facial masks are supposed to, be used, applied and used, they say that you're supposed to let it on until it dries. But this mask, in my experience, dries really quickly, and I feel like it doesn't quite do enough to just leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes and then wash it off. So I usually leave it for about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna see you guys in 15 minutes. I washed my face in the bathroom, obviously, and as I said, the mask has a very drying effect to your skin, so you might want to moisturize afterwards. Actually, it's indicated that you moisturize afterwards. So I'm gonna be using my mix of rosehip oil and tamanu oil. Again, the recipe for this one is on this channel. There's a video about how I mix and use this oil. I usually use it in the evening, but I'm making a special exception now. I can absolutely feel my little acne pimples being dry now. Like, I swipe my fingers over them and I feel them just being dry. I'm not picking at them though. Also, I'm not just like scratching or taking them off or anything. Just like, don't damage your skin more than it already is. That was it for my detoxifying clay mask. I hope you enjoyed it. Also, like always, please be careful if you choose to apply this mask to your skin. Make sure that you're not allergic to any of the ingredients, and also make sure that your skin is just like not sensitive to any of the ingredients. I recommend that you do a patch test before you apply any product on your face. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave it in the comment section below. What is your favorite DIY mask to apply to your face? I'm really curious to hear about it. Give a thumbs up to this video if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell if you want to be notified about my future videos. Once again, thank you all so much for watching and have a nice day.